Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for a PTA account. First, navigate to your school's Parent-Teacher Association website. You'll typically find a clear Join or Sign Up button right on the main page. Click this to begin the registration process. Have your basic contact details and your student's information ready, as you'll need these for the initial steps. This ensures a smooth and quick start to your involvement. To create your account, you will need to provide some essential details. This includes your full name, a current email address, and a reliable phone number for communication. Additionally, be ready to input your student's full name, their current grade level, and their teacher's name. Some platforms might also ask you to confirm your specific school, even if you accessed it directly. Once you have gathered all the necessary information, proceed to fill out the online registration form. Ensure all required fields are completed accurately to avoid any delays. Next, you will be prompted to create a secure password for your new account. Choose a strong, unique combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Before finalizing, take a moment to carefully review all the details you have entered. After submitting your registration, check your email inbox for a confirmation message from the PTA. This email might contain a link you need to click to activate your new account. Once confirmed, log into your account to explore the various member benefits, access resources, and view upcoming events. We encourage you to get involved by considering volunteering for a committee or attending a meeting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.